Verifying your identity on Proton Mail is essential for accessing your account securely. If your initial verification attempt fails, follow these steps to successfully verify your identity. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have access to the email account associated with your Proton Mail. Look for any messages from Proton Mail regarding the verification process and follow the instructions provided. Step 2. Use the recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact support. If the previous steps do not work, reach out to Proton Mail's customer support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account and the verification issue you're facing. Step 4. Provide identification. In some cases, you may need to submit a form of identification to verify your identity. Follow the guidelines provided by Proton Mail for acceptable forms of ID and ensure that you send clear copies. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your identification or contacting support, wait for a confirmation email from Proton Mail. This may take some time, so be patient and check your email regularly for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Proton Mail. If you continue to experience issues, consider reviewing Proton Mail's help resources for additional assistance.